Hey guys, Tony here. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 Chevrolet cargo van. This one has very low kilometers, just under 12,000 kilometers, and very, very good shape. Let's do a quick walk around so you can see for yourself with your own eyes. Up front, I don't see any dents or cracks or anything like that. No scratches. A little bit of dirt, a couple bugs, but everything looks like it's in good shape. Hood's nice. I don't see any dents on the hood or anything. If you take a look down the side of the body panel here, you'll see everything is nice, no dings or dents. And let's go take a look at this side here. And same thing as you can see here, very good shape. No dings or dents. This one is the extended version, so lots of space back there. Rims are in good shape all the way around. Lots of tread life left on the rubber. As it should be, after all, it's very low kilometers. Just taking a look inside the wheel well. Everything looks good. This one has not been detailed yet, so we still do have to do that. But not to worry, if this was the van for you, we would go ahead and do that. It's all part of our process here at Northgate. So this one still does have factory warranty. It is also a GM certified vehicle, so it has been through our shop. Go ahead and open up the back here. So tons of space. And once again, it hasn't been fully detailed quite just yet. One more side shot here. Very good shape. Let's go ahead and take a look at the interior. So your standard fare for the cargo vans. Nothing too fancy, but you got everything you need. Seats are in good shape, no rips, no tears. Very, very nice. Alright, so there you have it. Beautiful 2018 Chevrolet cargo van. This one is the extended version. Once again, just under 12,000 kilometers, so very good shape. If you have any questions, feel free to get in touch with us. You can reach us here, 780-476-3371, or you can also email us, sales@northgategm.com. Thanks for watching.